I love you so much. You fill the whole frame of my being. I go to sleep thinking about you and wake up with your voice winding through my head. Your eyes are so clear. If your eye was a well and I dropped a stone into it, that stone would never stop falling. I'm serious. I don't believe in God, but I do believe in you. I believe you created me. That's why I feel alive with you here. Now, in our new home. Before I was just clay.
You mean like a lump?
Yes, before I was just a lump of clay. But now I'm alive. You have created me. I'm serious. You have an incredible smile. What's this?
Open it.
For me.
Open it.
What's this? Dog shit?
I just had my mom on the phone.
Your mum. What did your mum want?
Oh, she's upset. Seems my dad had a nervous breakdown. What?
I didn't know people said that.
Nervous breakdown? Of course they do.
Is he in hospital?
Of course they do. Because the trouble with you.
Oh?
Yes, the trouble with you is you think you know better than everyone else. You don't have to look so hurt. After all, this is not about you, Simone. It's about my dad. It's actually about my whole family. It's about a whole interconnected series of bad choices, of which my dad's just one element. Because there's a whole cluster of genetic. Well, I won't go into that now. But also psychological and even political shit. A constellation of issues. Adoption, attempted rape, within which my father is simply one faint star whose light barely reaches us. Having said that,
No.
yes, having said that, I still don't trust her.
Your mother?
Well, you've seen how she behaves. And since I moved in with you, she'll say anything to get my attention.
About your dad.
About herself, about her wasted life, about her fear for her own safety. Because, well, okay, mister, I know everything. You were right. It wasn't a nervous breakdown. He had a psychotic episode.
Your dad did.
Seems she woke up and found he'd set fire to the bedroom curtains. Oh shit,
What?
there's mold on this yogurt.
Chuck it. Where are you?
Brushing my teeth.
You know, I was thinking about what you were saying.
What?
I said, I was thinking about what you were saying. About children. Katrina? Because on the way to the station, I saw some going into the park. They were going in one at a time, in a row. Tiny ones. Are you listening? And what they had was a rope, which they each held on to, so they wouldn't get lost. You should have heard them, all chattering, holding on to this long blue rope. Because it's exactly what you were saying about children. Katrina? Katrina? I said, it's exactly the thing we were talking about. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Use this. What happened? What happened? Katrina?
Well, my playful baby has gone and put me down. Well, my playful baby, she's gone and put me down. She said I'd played out and she still feels like playing around. She's got the same bag of tricks and she's added 2 or 3 more. She's got the same bag of tricks, she's added 2 or 3 more. She tries them out on me soon as I hit the front door. You know I love to play, got a name for doing alright. You know I love to play, I've got a name for doing alright. Well, the 60-minute man means nothing in that gal's eyesight.
Oh wait, we're dancing. away!
Fuck off!
Stop! Go away! Stop.
We used to play every day. We used to play every night. We used to play every day, and we used to play every night.
Who was it?
No one.
I love that song.
Me too.
What's that?
Found it.
What? What? Dear neighbors, when I listen to you dancing or hear you make love, I so want to dance with you or make love too. You see, you cannot imagine how. What's that word?
Unimaginably.
Imagine how unimaginably? You cannot imagine how unimaginably hurt and lonely I am. But I am not asking for your pity. No, do not pity me. I just need you to know that I exist and think your lives must be beautiful. Ian,
Ian? Who's Ian?
or it could be John, or Jan perhaps. Could say Jan.
A woman.
Well, of course, sometimes it was bad. Sometimes when he was drunk, it would just go on, and I'd be thinking, I'm not enjoying this. Please, let it stop. But at other times, I was excited, and I did it because I loved him. He was my first love, and I loved him. I was calm and relaxed with him, then tense. I needed his approval, but at the same time, wanted to drive a bolt through his forehead, like they do in a slaughterhouse. He said, well, go on then, try it. Then got down on all fours like an animal. God, my dad hated him. What is it you're doing?
Hmm?
I said, what is it you're doing?
Well, you know how Kant said you must never lie? Even if a soldier walks into your house and asks you where your children are, I mean, with the intention of killing them, and Kant said you must never lie. You must say, well, my children are hiding in the cupboard, or I don't know, my children are out in the garden playing with the swings. Well, I'm just checking if Kant actually said that. Huh.
What?
The battery's dead.
It can't be.
What are you doing?
I want to see.
You don't need to see. I'm telling you it's dead.
Don't talk to me like that.
I'm sorry?
Don't talk to me in that condescending way. Who do you think you are?
The battery's dead. I don't need confirmation.
But it's brand new. It's a brand new phone, Simone. I spent money on that. Come on. Show me.
What's wrong with us? Why can't we say or do or think one single thing of importance? How is it that day after day after day can go by and not one word we speak makes any difference to the sum total of human thought?
Rubbish. Who says there has to be a sum total?
But what is the point of making us so complicated as beings when even my cat poking its head over the side of its cat box has more dignity than I do?
You don't have a cat, Simone.
I did when I was a girl.
But you're not a girl now, are you? It works. You're a woman. You're a woman, and everything you say is important. And everything you think has consequences. Look at us. Like it or not, we're in charge of the whole universe. From the processionary stars to each dim sheep tottering through the valley.
Including cats.
Including, you're so totally right, cats. So don't let's pretend we have no responsibility. Because, like it or not, we're the ones running the whole show.
You mean you are?
We used to talk. How shall I fill the final play?
You'll never guess what happened.
What?
I bumped into Jan on the stairs.
Who? Oh my god, Jan. What happened? Did you say something?
I said, I hope our music isn't disturbing you.
But how did you know it was her?
Hmm?
How did you know it was her? Jan?
Hmm?
How did you know who it was?
She was wearing ID. She works in a shop. I mean, works in a bank. She works in a bank. I've no idea why I said
Which
shop.
bank?
The Hong Kong and Shanghai?
Okay. So what did she say?
Hmm?
About the music. Come on. Wake up.
About the music.
Yes. About the music.
Said she never hears it.
Lying little bitch.
Where are you going?
Lying little eavesdropping fucking bank clerk bitch.
Katrina.
What? What?
She's not a clerk. She sells credit default swaps to Scandinavian hedge funds.
Then what is she doing living in a shithole like this?
If you mean, why does she have only a modest apartment like ours? That's because she's basically based in Stockholm. This is just a pied de terre. Katrina, please don't cry.
I'm not.
Difficult day?
Mm-hmm.
Those students again?
Mm-hmm.
You should separate the ringleaders.
I'm going to. What? Why are you staring at me like that? Stop it. Stand normally. Uncross your arms. What?
Well, listen, you may or may not approve of this, but the thing is, she gave me some pills, and you know what it's like when someone has a particularly strong personality and you want to obey them. So you do what they say, almost in spite of yourself, because I said to her, look, Jan, I don't take drugs from strange women. And Jan said, that's only because you don't work in international finance and may never have had the opportunity. You see, she was quite funny as well as very persuasive. She said to me, I normally take three, but two is enough to start with.
And you took them?
What?
These pills. These pills from this ghastly bank woman. You took them?
Of course not. They're still here, in my fist.
Show me.
But the thing is, yes, the odd thing is since talking to Jan, who is not at all ghastly by the way, but since talking to Jan, even without the pills, I feel like my mind has completely altered.
Show me.
Hey,
Open your hand, Simone.
and of course, you're quite right. There is part of me that's not sure whether I've taken those pills or not. There is part of me that's wondering just what is inside this fist. What are you doing? Katrina?
I used to be able to do this.
You're gonna break something.
You take my legs.
I don't want to take your legs.
Yes, you do. Go on. Please.
I've got your thighs in my face.
You should like it. I can feel it. I'm definitely getting pregnant.
It's nothing to do with which way up you are.
You're so funny. I love you.
What?
The sockets have little faces. And the chair looks like it's glued to the ceiling. Well, come on.
Come on, what?
Say you love me too.
I love you too.
Even though you're upside down.
Even though you're upside down.
Even though the whole world is upside down. Say it.
Stop kicking my head.
Then say it.
What are you doing?
I'm climbing you.
Jesus. Katrina, this is dangerous.
Then say that the whole world's upside down.
But it's not. The whole world is not upside down. You're the one
Oh,
who's
stop
upside
being
down.
such a literal minded, unpoetic fucking planning
Then
officer.
just stop climbing all over me. Katrina, for God's sake.
But what was he doing here? I don't understand that he just turned up. I thought he was still sick. How long did he stay for? Simone?
Maybe an hour?
An hour? He has no right. He has no right turning up here, imposing his problems. What did he talk about?
I promise not to say.
Was it about me? What do you mean you promised?
I promised I wouldn't say.
Was he talking about me?
Not everything is about you.
I do realize that. I naturally realize that. But why did he bring the dress? I mean, that's just so completely weird having my dad turn up here with that dress. Dad never turns up anywhere. Dad never talks to anyone. And for a whole hour?
I wish I hadn't told you.
I haven't worn this dress since I was 14.
Look, let's do a deal. I say what he said, and you do the thing we talked about.
What thing we talked about? You must be joking. I'm not doing a deal with you. Especially about that. I've told you, it's no. Never. Not ever. It just doesn't interest me.
Okay?
Well, it doesn't.
Okay. You've told me.
I'm putting this on a hanger.
Sure.
Are you feeling okay?
Time to go!
Are you feeling okay?
Time to go!
Are you feeling okay?
Time to go!
Hey!
Hey.
Well,
Yes.
great. Wow.
Yes.
You must be.
I am.
Wow. Weird.
No? Yes?
Kind of. I mean, head of.
Department. Yes.
Great. They,
That's right.
amazing.
Got the call and
Shit.
got the call and yes. Shit.
Wow.
Hey, come here.
What?
Just come here.
Oh no.
Come on.
Oh no.
Hey.
I know what you want.
Oh, what's that?
So predictable. Turn around.
What?
Turn around. Go on.
What's going on?
Okay. You can look.
What's that?
Open it.
For me?
Yes. Open it.
It's not
Not what?
nothing.
Hmm?
Nothing. Hey,
Like it?
that is stylish. Thank you.
So, is this gonna mean more.
Sex?
What? No. Stupid. Money.
Sure.
Money.
Sure. Yes.
Great.
But it's more the
Of course.
it's it's more the accolade. Because turns out I'm the youngest.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm the youngest ever deputy head of commercial planning.
I'm so incredibly happy.
Thank you. What is that for?
I said to put the lamp on.
Great. Nice. Is something wrong, Katrina? Has something happened?
Such as.
Well, maybe that man friend of yours turned up at the school and you finally decided to butcher him?
You think I've got blood on my hands?
Show me? You were probably wearing gloves. I'd have loved seeing him drop to his knees. Fucked over by the goddess of destruction.
Destruction. I've just built us a table, Simone.
I wanna go home, take off this uniform and leave the show. But I'm waiting in this cell because I have to know, have I been guilty all this time?
I'm a bit drunk.
Me too. Okay, 10:30. Now you have to tell me what my dad said.
Oh no, I do not.
Oh, yes, you do.
But she's not gonna come.
That wasn't the deal. The deal was I asked. You still got that tie on. I thought I said take it off. There's food down it.
Yes, but how do I know you
I
asked?
just did. I told you I did. If I told you I did, I did.
And what did she say again?
She said yes, she would love to. And what should she bring? So I said, bring some of those pills you gave to my wife.
Maybe she didn't understand.
Oh, she understood. She got it just like that. I could see her assessing me. Then she smiled and reached out for my mouth.
You didn't say she reached out for your mouth.
Well, she did. She slipped in her finger and hooked it right over my teeth.
Why are you smiling like that?
Because you don't love me. Because you have never loved me. I've given you my whole body and all of my attention for months and months and months. And it's still not enough for you. I've given you my hopefulness and all of my wit and charm, my tolerance, and a large part of my pitiful income. And it's still not enough. I've listened to you tell me how meaningless your life is, regardless of how much that insults me personally. And I've heard you out for hours on end about the struggle for desk space within your department. I've shut up while you've insulted a man I very much loved. And to please you, I forced myself to leave no space for him in my heart. And all of that time, while I was giving you everything, you've been chipping and chipping away at my soul until I have finally said yes to something so humiliating and so banal that I. Yes, I do, Simone. You don't have to look so hurt. Feel like swallowing acid.
I see. No wonder you're smiling. So you want me to take off my tie?
No, what I want is to spit in your face.
Well, you won't manage that from there.
Then come closer. Come on. Closer.
Bitch.
Pig. Oh my god! Wipe your face. Get up off the floor, idiot. I'll let her in. You pour her a drink.
What's that?
It's my dress. Do you like it? No, 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 no,
I meant, what's that in the basket?
no. What does it look like?
A baby. Where did you get a baby from?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
I said, where did you get a baby from?
Where do you think I got a baby from? No, 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 no,
I thought we didn't want children.
no. No? I think we decided we did. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Does it matter?
Wouldn't you prefer a girl?
Why would I prefer a girl? Wouldn't I just be endlessly dreading the day some man came and took her away from me? Married her? Forced her to play house? How could I bear visiting her up a flight of stone stairs nobody ever washed? Where all the lights in the hallway, Simone, were smashed? Or, if on, dim? How would I cope with holding her baby for just a few minutes, then having to leave before her husband came back, so she'd not have to see how much I despised him? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Yes. But what if she turned out Katrina, against all the odds, to be happy? What if she secretly liked to play house? What if the broken bicycle on the stairs, or even the burst black sack, made her smile? And this man, what if this man of hers, the husband, with his shit job and all the other shit infecting his mind, what if he still truly loved her? Yes, loved her and loved her and loved her and loved her and loved her. What if he loved her at the end as much as he had loved her in the beginning? What if he had dropped once into her eyes and was still falling?